Okay, so I have this file open here. Hopefully it's going to record. And if we're just looking at this screen right now, we are seeing the following. Okay. Now, if you look a little closer here, you're going to notice something. If I change here for a second, if I go to panel, orthographic, let's say front, okay, going to get rid of the camera here. I'm going to leave this on, and at show viewport, I don't need my camera, so I don't need to see my camera, so I'm going to turn off the camera. Okay, so watch this, and you guys thought I turned these guys off. Okay, so let's just watch this screen here. You're going to notice that one side of the arm is different than the other. Okay, so if I press play here, see, one has opening palms, the other one has fists. Thank you, I was waiting for you. Thank you. Okay, so now, see that? There's that difference. Also, your next assignment is to jump forward, right? So now watch how I'm going to do this. Now look down on the ground. You see here? Watch the toes. Okay? So I'm going to switch views here. Whoa. Okay, let's try that again, Balian. Come in here. Okay? For me to have proper lift off, I need to spend more time here with my toes. Right there. The peeling. I call that a peel off. Okay? So there's that issue I want to fix. Second of all, I also want to fix the amount of time it takes me to come down. Watch. I'm up here. I'm not perfectly happy with it. Then I come down. Look, it's like there's no down movement. You see how it just comes down? As if it's sitting on something. Do you guys see that? Look. Right? So if I select this controller here, watch this. Boom, boom, boom at 25, and there's nothing else happening. So for example, if I wanted to, I can go over here, copy, for example. I can go 4 frames over, paste, for example, boom, paste, right? Get my move tool, and I could do, come before it. Do you see that? So now, like, I have to kind of think about how I want to deal with that. I haven't solved it, but now I'm pushing myself, going really coming down. Okay, so there's that issue that I want to solve. Second of all, now if I switch this here, now I'm going to go my select. So these are the keys. Look, boom, first key right there, and second key, come down, right? And I'm just going to press comma period, boom, and he's getting ready to take off. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, right? Notice that this same key here and this is kind of similar. You guys see that? So between here, after this, I have to go up in the air at some point. So look how many frames I'm taking, from 8 to at least 17, 19. Under a second. You guys see that? Okay, so here he is. We have hang time, and then we come back down. So your job is to kind of see what you did with the ball, with the same as the ball bounce. How many frames did it take me to go up? How many frames did it take me to come down? So you need to figure that out. Okay, I don't like how my knees are popping here. You guys see how far out my knees are? That's fine. That's something I need to solve, right? When I come down, maybe I have to go back and watch myself in the camera. When I jump up and down, are my knees spread out like that? If it's not spread out like that, look, because all you got to do is this. See that? Bring it over. See this one here? I hope it's the right one. Boom. Do you guys see what I'm doing? But you can't do these things right away. Do it after you get all your poses in. So I'm going to go to Bony, select all. So there's that one. Press period. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing like that. So basically there. This is not done. However, here's the part I was talking to you guys yesterday. As I'm coming back down, pay attention up here, please. Watch. Look. Pay attention in here. Just in here. As I'm coming down, my wrist is going up. As I'm coming down, I'm doing the opposite. So it's kind of like a hang, right? So we're trying to do this. That's later, okay? And if I'm not facing the right way, I could rotate this to face the camera. It's up to me. I haven't solved that yet. So do you see all the little thinking that takes place to do an animation? And then when I'm coming back down, you guys saw this before. I believe it comes down into a fist. There. Right? And I said to you guys yesterday, I don't need to be in a fist the entire time. Okay? So watch. These are the things I want you guys to think about today. Okay? So again, there's not that many keyframes here. There's the squash, there's the takeoff, and I don't like the way I'm taking off because there's not enough of a takeoff off the toe for me. Okay? I don't mind the hang. The hang's okay. That's okay here. I may want my feet to come up a bit more. And I don't like how these get stuck here while I'm coming down. They're going the wrong way. So anyway, these are things I'm going to fix myself. Okay? So until you guys go through this, get all your keys in, have fun with it, and then show it to someone next to you and say, what can I do to improve this? But always, always keep in mind, we're basing it off reference, and we're pushing our reference. Is that okay with you guys? We're not recreating Balian jumping up or you and I. We're taking it, we're making it a little more interesting if possible. Cool? We good? Let's do this.